Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Danish school jobs. Denmark offers a unique and rewarding teaching environment, emphasizing student-centered learning and critical thinking. To begin, it is crucial to understand the Danish education system and identify the type of school that aligns with your qualifications. You will also need to ensure your teaching degree is formally recognized by the Danish Agency for Higher Education and Science. A well-prepared application is your first step towards a successful career. Securing a teaching position in Denmark involves meeting specific requirements. First, your foreign teaching degree must be officially recognized by the Danish Agency for Higher Education and Science. For public schools, a strong command of Danish, typically at a B2 or C1 level, is often essential. International schools may primarily require English proficiency. Additionally, you will need a clean criminal record certificate and relevant teaching experience to strengthen your application. Once your qualifications are in order, the next step is finding suitable job openings. Explore official Danish job portals such as Work in Denmark, which lists many vacancies in English. Networking with other educators and directly contacting schools can also be highly effective. Remember to customize your CV and cover letter for each application, highlighting how your skills match the job description. Be ready for interviews, which might involve demonstrating your teaching abilities. After successfully applying, focus on the practicalities of moving to Denmark. Non-EU citizens will need to secure a work permit and residency, often with employer assistance. Researching housing and the cost of living in different regions is also vital for planning your budget. Consider enrolling in Danish language courses and cultural integration programs to ease your transition. Understanding Danish labor laws and your employee rights will ensure a smooth and positive experience in your new role.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.